Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine in your home. Okay. Shall we begin the class? Yes. In the last class, what we solved, that is exercise number 1.5, right? Yes. Exercise number 1.5 we solved in the last class only. What we solved, that is in that we are solved the estimating of that is estimating the products, estimating the additions, next estimating the products, subtraction, division, quotient, all those things we studied in the last class only. Okay. So today we'll start with the seventh question, that is exercise number 1.5. In that seventh question, open everyone page number 16. Open page number 16 in that exercise in that seventh question. Okay, that is exercise number 1.5 only. So page number is 16 in that seventh question. Okay, so here they given question is write any 5 3-digit numbers and which when we round it off to the nearest hundreds gives the 400. Okay, what they told here, write any 5 3-digit number. 3-digit number you have to write here. So which when we round it off to the nearest hundred it gives the 400. Okay, so we have to write 5 numbers. 5 numbers are 3-digit number. Okay, so give an example for 3-digit numbers, that you have to write 5 numbers, and when we round off that numbers we have to get the answer as 400. Like that we have to write. Okay, see here seventh one. So 415, 420, 425 and 432 and 455. These are the 5 numbers. They told 5 numbers. 5 numbers. Okay. Write down 5 numbers. 5 3-digit numbers. 5 3-digit number here. 5 3-digit numbers. Okay, so they told here write any 5 3-digit numbers here. 3-digit numbers are 415, 420 and 425, 432, 455. Like that I have written here. Okay, when we round off these following numbers, we written a 5 numbers, no? When we round off this 415, what is the answer? When we round off this number nearest to 100, we have to round off the given here written numbers to the nearest 100. And what is the answer here? This also 400, this is also 400, here also 400, here also 400, here also 400. Right? So they given answer here that when we round off that given that numbers nearest to the 100, and it will give the answer as a 400. When we round off that number will give the answer as a 400. That 3-digit number we have to write here. Means the number must be lies between the 400 to 500 only, and middle number is 450. Right? So here the number is lies between the 400 to 500 and middle number is 450. So if it is a nearer to 400 means all the values are lies in between the 400 to 415, right? See here. If it is nearer to 400, then all the values are lies between the 400 to 450. So from the 400 to the 450, take any values here. Any 5 number you can write here. From the 400 to 450, write any 5 number here. That is the answer. Getting everyone? See here, write any 5 3-digit numbers and which are when we rounded off that numbers to nearest 100, it will give the answer as 400. Like that we have to write these numbers. 3-digit number only we have to write, but when we round off that numbers, we want answer as a 400. See here, round off any number to the nearest 100. Round off 455 to the nearest 100. What is the answer? 400 only. Round off 432 430 to nearest 100. What is the answer? 400 only. Here round up 425 to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 answer is 400 only. Here 420 is there. So 420. If you round up the 420 number, what is the answer here? That is a 400 only. Next is a 450. If you round up the 450 number to the nearest 100, then what will be the answer? Answer will be the 400 only, right? So like that we have to write. See here, 400 to 450. All the numbers are nearer to 400 only. So write any number in between the 400 and 450. That all numbers are example for the this nearest 400. Okay, from 400 to 450, write any 5 numbers here. That is the answer for this question. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. We'll go for the 8th question now. Exercise number 1.5. Okay, 8th one is write any 5 4-digit numbers which when we round it off to the nearest 1000 it gives the 7000. Okay, so the answer is what here? It gives the 7000. We have to write a 4-digit 5 numbers. 5 numbers again we have to write here examples, and when we round off that numbers to the nearest 1000 it will give answer as a 7000. It will give 7000 means obviously it is lies between which numbers? It is lies between the here 7000 to 8000 and middle number is 7500. Write any number in between this 7000 to 700. Right here 7100, 7150, 7200, 7350, 7400. Okay, so these are the 5 numbers. When we round off these numbers we'll get the answer as 7000. Getting what I'm saying here? Okay, so when we round off these numbers we get the answer as the 7000. Getting? So round off these numbers to the nearest 1000. So here answer will be the 7000. Getting? Okay, go for the next question. That is the 9th one. Answer is this only. 9th one. Like that we have to write. Only this much is there. Nothing is difficulty in that. Okay. Write the any 5 digit numbers which when we rounded off to the nearest 10,000 it gives the 80,000. So what they given here? Answer is 80,000. It will give the 80,000 means number is like between the 80,000 to 90,000 and middle number is what? 85,000. So write any number in between the 80,000 to 85,000. That is 81,000, 82,000, 82,520, 83,000. Next one 84,000. Okay. So here all 5 numbers are nearer to the 80,000. When we round off these numbers to the nearest 1000 value, we get the answer as 80,000 here. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. So next 10th question. Solve the 10th question. Same as the same thing. Okay. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. All those are same only. So right here. Okay. Next one is the 10th one. Right, 10th one is write any 5 6-digit numbers which when we rounded off to the nearest lakhs it gives the 6 lakh. Okay, it gives the 6 lakh here. So that is answer is 6 lakh. Answer is 6 lakh here. So if the number is like between the 6 lakhs to 7 lakh. And what is the middle number? 6 lakh 50,000. Write any number in between the 6 lakh to 6 lakh 50,000. That all numbers are nearer to the 6 lakh only. Okay, so right here that numbers are 6 lakh 15,000, 6 lakh, 6 lakh 25,000, 6 lakh 30,000. Okay, 6 lakh 35,000, 6 lakh 40,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers we written. Only 5 numbers. When we rounded off these 5 numbers to the nearest lakh value, the answer will be 6 lakh here. Getting everyone? So these are the 5 6-digit numbers. Getting everyone? Okay, we'll go for the next question. We completed exercise number 1.5, right? So we completed now exercise number 1.5 now. Now I'll explain, see here. One second. I'll explain here, that is a I know. Now I know page number 16 only. Open page number 16 only. In that now I know. Now I know. What are the things are there? What are the things we studied in this chapter? That only they given here. Now I know. Okay, in that first point, in any given two numbers, one with the more digits is greater number. If the number of digits are same, then that number is a largest, which has larger leftmost digit, and if the digit is same, then we move to next left digits and so on until the comparison can be made here. How to compare the numbers? I told when we are discussing about the comparison of a numbers, I told that one, right? So first we have to observe the first place value, that is not once, last one. Okay, so first observe that values. If that is any one number is greater, then that number is a greater number only. If both are same, then go for the next place value. Okay, in that place value also again same, then go for the next place value. Okay, so first when we are comparing the two numbers, bigger numbers, if it is a smaller, we come to know that which one is a greater and which one is a smaller, we can say easily. But when we having a larger numbers, we have to observe the proper place values. Depending on the place values and in which place value the number is greater and number is smaller, from depend on that the number will be greater or a smaller. Like that we have to decide. Getting everyone? Okay, so next point is the above rule is adopted in writing a numbers in a ascending or a descending order. Okay, even in a writing the ascending order and descending order, what we have to do when we are writing the ascending order and descending order, we have to write the ascending means smallest to biggest and descending means biggest to smallest we have to write. And after that, to form a greatest number from the given sets of digits, arrange the numbers in a descending order. See here. What they told here, when we doing a greatest number, when we are writing a greatest number, what we have to do? When we are writing a greatest number, we have to write the descending order of the numbers. Descending order of means biggest to the smallest number we have to write here. Next one is to form a smallest number. To form a smallest number, what we have to do here? To form a smallest number, we have to do the ascending order. That too we have to take the non-zero value first. While writing the smallest number, we use the ascending order only. But if there is a presence of zero, if there is a zero digit also there, then what we have to do? We have to write the first number as a non-zero number. Don't write a zero first while writing the smallest numbers. After that you can write second place value. Okay, but first place value you have to write a non-zero number. Non-zero number is that value should be not a zero, like that. Okay, so next, the first four periods of the Indian system of enumeration are hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. You know as well as you know very well that is the Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration. In Indian system of enumeration, what are the things are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, sorry, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And according to the international system of enumeration, what are the things we are having in that international system of enumeration? That is nothing but a ones, tens, after that hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 1,000 million. Okay, so the 100 million that we are having in the international system of a numeration. After that, in Indian system of a numeration, we have a commas after a 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits, right? So in the Indian system of a numeration, we used how to put the commas here? First 3 digits, after that 2 digits according to the Indian system of numeration. But according to the international system of numeration, what we are going to do that? That is every 3 digits, every 3 digits number we have to put a comma in international system of numeration. Okay. So next one is that is units of measuring length, mass, capacity can be made larger by use of a certain prefixes like a kilo and the smaller by using the prefixes such as a centi, milli, etc. Okay. So we know that measurements of the length, mass and capacity, all those things you have to study very well. Okay. If we know the conversions, means 1 kg equal to 1000 gram and 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, like that. All those things you should know. Otherwise, it is a very difficult to convert the things, right? If we know that one, you can do any problem, right? So please be thorough with that also. Okay. So next one we studied the Roman numerals. Roman numerals are formed by the symbols, 7 symbols. What are the 7 symbols? I, B, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 letters. See, if anyone asked how many letters are we are using in a Roman numbers, we are using a 7 numbers. We are using a 7 letters while writing the Roman numbers. Okay, when we are writing a Roman numbers, we use the 7 letters. Please keep it in your mind. Only 7 letters we use in the Roman numbers. After that, these symbols are used for the numbers. I means 1, that is B means 5, and X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. These things you should know that one. Okay. After that, all other numerals are formed by writing the 7 letters in the different combinations following a certain rules. Okay. Next one is a estimation involves the approximating the quantity to an accuracy required. Okay. So what is the estimation here? The estimation is nothing but it's a just assuming value. It's not an accurate value. Okay. So we don't get the accurate answer here, but just we estimate that average. It may be like that. Okay. So it will be a maybe process. So that is nothing but a estimation. Estimation is nothing but a first we have to do the rounding of that numbers. After that we have to do the addition. Whatever the given addition, then do the addition. If they given subtraction, do the subtraction. And after that, if they given what multiplication, then do the multiplication. And if they given find the quotient, then you have to do the division. After that, we'll get the quotient in that, right? So next one is estimation is done by rounding of numbers. In bold, I am getting quick by rough answer. Usage of a brackets allows us to avoid the confusion in the problem where we need to carry out a more than one number operations. Yes, of course. And the Hindu-Arabic system of numerals are the most widely used system, and another system of writing a numerals is the Roman system. Okay, and after that we are having a exercise. Okay, now I know points you have to write it in a CW. That is a homework for you. So all that is 1.5, 7th main, 8th main, 9th and 10th. 4 problems you have to solve first. After that, now I know. We have so many points in that. Now I know, right? So that points you have to write in a HW. First write it in a HW. After that write it in a CW also. Because in that point only, only we are having what we studied in this whole chapter. Okay, whatever the things we studied in the whole chapter, they given in a only some points. That is a summary. When we are listen one story, we'll write down summary, right? Summary means from that story what we learned, that will write in a one small paragraph, that is called as the summary. In English they will do like that, but in the mathematics we have to write the some main points here. Whatever the things we learned in this chapter, that we have to write. That is nothing but a now I know points. Getting everyone? Okay. In next we are having the exercise problems. Exercise problems, do it yourself. Okay, I don't do this one, because whatever the problems we studied in the all the exercise from 1.1 to 1.5, whatever the problems we studied, no, that problems only again they given in a one exercise. In this exercise they mixed all the problems from 1.1 to 1.5. From 1.1 to 1.5 they given all the problems here. From 1.1 to 1.5 whatever the problems we studied, that only they given in the exercise. Okay, just I'll discuss how to do that one. You have to do it yourself. Okay, that is first one is the compare the numbers. You know that compare the numbers. Compare the numbers means we have to put the greater than or lesser than symbol. That you have to do here. Okay, next one is the arrange the numbers in a ascending order. Second question. Arranging numbers in ascending order means smallest to biggest numbers you have to find and arrange that numbers ascending order. After that we are having a descending order. Descending order also you can do that one. Next fourth question is for each of the following numbers write the place of the underlined digits and place value of the underlined digits as a per international system of numeration. Okay, so that is a place according to the international system of numeration. We can say that, see, underlined digits is in first one underline. What is the place value for that? That is a 10 billion. And here 8, second one 8 underline, that is 8 is a, and which one, that is 100,000. It is a place value is 100,000. Next fifth question. What is the fifth question here? Fifth question is write a both following numbers in a Indian as per international system of numeration using a commas appropriately. Okay, first you have to write the according to the Indian, and after that you can write the according to the international. Both you have to write here. Both you have to write here. Okay, you have to write with the commas according to the international and according to the Indian system of numeration. Okay, after that sixth one, convert the following Roman numerals to the Indo-Arabic numerals. That is CD, XL, C and CC. This one you know, right? So how to write that Roman numbers into the English numbers and English numbers into the Roman numbers? You know that one. Write that one. Okay. So seventh one, Parmenter water 2 kg potatoes and 250 gram carrots, 2500 carrots and 4 packets of peas, and each packet containing a 550 gram peas, and what is the total weight of the vegetables bought by him? Okay, leave that one, seventh one, and eighth one and ninth one you have to do. Eighth one is a find the difference between the greatest and smallest digit numbers formed by the using the digits. They given us some digits here, and you have to write the smallest number as well as the greatest number. After that, take the difference between those two, greatest number as well as the smallest number. That is the eighth one. Okay, do that eighth one. Ninth one is using the digits form the greatest and smallest 8-digit numbers by repeating the only one digit twice, because they given here only 7 digits. So if you want to do, sorry, one digit you have to repeat, that is twice. So if you want to repeat any digit you can repeat. Okay, nothing is they mentioned here. You can repeat any one digit twice, your wish. Whichever digit you want to repeat, you can repeat, and after that again find the difference between those two, smallest and greatest number. That is the problem. Ninth one also. Okay, so this seventh one and 10th one we'll do in the next class. Seventh one and 10th one value based question, right? So seventh one and 10th one I'll do in the next class. So after that, so this chapter is over. So next we'll go for the, that is a second question. Sorry, second chapter, playing with the numbers. Before that, we are having the here mental maths, right? Okay, I'll solve that mental maths also in the next class only. Mental maths, and after this, in exercise, 2 questions, I'll solve in the next class. Okay. So this much is the homework for you. Whatever the things I told, that things you have to write it in HW and do this all the problems whatever I given in this class. Okay. So we'll meet in the next class. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.